Welcome to Nina's Kitchen. Today, these are the items you're going to need. Select the potatoes of your choice. I've chosen small red potatoes. Dice them into small pieces and put them on a baking sheet. I have chosen to line my baking sheet with parchment paper. It helps to keep my baking sheet fresh and clean. Cut your potatoes in half, line them up, and cut them in half again. Spread your potatoes evenly on your baking sheet. Now drizzle olive oil all over your potatoes. Next, sprinkle salt all over your potatoes. Now put your potatoes in the oven. Bake at 450 degrees for 20 minutes. Once they have finished baking and they're out of the oven, now they're ready to put on a plate and serve. Enjoy!